Hi guys! Okay, today we're going to be making a children's face mask. So what you're going to do is you want to get a bandana, cut it in half because they're little. You're going to want to get it hot dog style. Then you're going to want to go ahead and fold up. Then you want to fold down in the middle. Depending on how old your child is this next step, it's going to depend. My child is about 3. She's 3. And so I'm going to fold it a little bit more to fit her. If your child's older, you might not need to fold it at all. It just depends on how big your child's face is and whatnot. After you get done folding it how you like, you're going to go ahead and put your bands on, your elastic bands. I got colorful ones from Target. You're going to want to put them on. Then you're going to want to go ahead and fold it in. This is to give it that extra protection in the inside, and then fold it again. Also, this can be changed to fit your child's face. You can stretch it out a little bit more. I'm going to go ahead and tuck it in so it can give the protection and not be bothering her. So I did that, and then there we go. It's all finished, and you have an extra headband. There she is. Yay!